Hi, my name is Aniq. Today we're going to be unboxing a Deluxe water misting fan. We got it in orange. So right now we're in Dallas, so it's going to be really hot here. So this is going to come in useful. So you need 2 AA batteries in order to open it and put it. And
let's open this first.
let's open it up now. So now let's put in some batteries. You need 2 AA batteries. Now let's go put some water in it.
See if this work. No, it's not working. So you put it wrong, probably. Oh no. You need to turn it on.
Have to turn it on and it's on. And
Okay.
this, if you press this, that's when the mist comes in.
Okay.
So let's go put some water.
Open it up.
Now let's try it. It's working.
Yeah, do it again. On your face. Right?
It doesn't shoot forever, but you have to keep on pressing it.
Now who's this?
This is Muaz, and we're going to do it too.
Must say hi. Hi.
Here. Now. This is the Deluxe misting water fan. So, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Bye.